You've been wanting to quit this job and you've been job hunting for the past 3 months. And finally, a company just sent you an email that says, "We want you," and you want you to be part of the company. Should you rejoice, and should you now tender that resignation from your current company? Here are 2 non-negotiables I'd like you to consider first. Number 1, if that confirmation does not have any proper documentation, for example, a contract of employment that says that you are now part of that new company, do not tender your resignation yet. It's very easy for any organization to ghost on you and nullify that agreement if there was no proper documentation. Some recruiters will ghost on you or will just say that the position has been canceled. And so unless there is proper documentation that you can hold on to, don't tender that resignation yet. Ask it from the recruiter for proper documentation. Number 2, you may not be able to resign immediately because some companies require you to